8 to the power 6 upon 16 to the power 3 minus 16 to the power 3 upon 8 to the power 6. How do we solve it? So remember that if you follow PEMDAS, the order of operation, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this subtraction, this is at the end. Before that, we have to solve this exponent part. So let's first deal with this exponent part. So 8 to the power 6, then upon 16 we can write it as 4 to the power 2, then whole to the power 3 minus again 16 as 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 4 to the power 2, then whole to the power 3 upon 8 to the power 6. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this will be 8 to the power 6 upon 4 to the power 6 minus 4 to the power 6 upon 8 to the power 6. Now again, when a upon b has the same exponent, a raised to the power m is upon b raised to the power n, then we can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power of n. So this we can write 8 upon 4 whole raised to the power 6 minus 4 upon 8 whole raised to the power 6. Now 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 2 raised to the power 6 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64 minus 1 upon 64. Now let's put 1 as the denominator here. So the common denominator will be 64. 64 times 64 is 4096 minus 1. So it is 4096, 4095 upon 64. Break down this into a mixed fraction, or we can leave it here. If we have to break down it into mixed fraction, we have to do the long division. So 64 times 6 is equal to 384, subtract 255. 64 times 4 is 256, that is greater than 255. So 64 times 3 is 192. So 63 times 63 upon 64. This is our mixed fraction.